Get noticed in this 2007 Holden Commodore. Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, power mirrors. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Call today to schedule a test drive.